Good morning. Today is March 6th, 2025. Happy Thursday. I am done trading for today. I took a nice win on gold today. I really did like this setup a lot. I trusted it, but I did only enter one contract because it is NFP week still. So I was just going to play it safe this week since on Tuesday I had took two trades and they were both losses, so that brought me down on the red, and I was just telling myself today, if I see a setup I like, I'm going to put in one contract and I'm going to hold for longer than a one-to-one risk reward, which I did today. So today I took this buy right here. I entered it, and I entered a little bit late, not too much, so I entered right there, and I had my stop loss placed right here. And then I got out this, I have this marked as a one to two risk to reward, but I got out like around here because we had tapped this supply right here, and I was just, I only entered one contract. If I had entered two, I would have definitely closed one at 1-to-1 and then held for the second one to a 1-to-2, since it did go for a 1-to-2. It went for 1-to-2. So I did exit like around here, and I, looking at the higher time frame, also we were entering this supply right here, but before that happened, I was paying attention to these candles right here, which I liked how we started to break above the EMAs, closing above the EMAs, and also making higher highs with these little wicks right here. And also on the 1 hour, we had a demand right here that had tapped earlier, so that gave me confidence to buy as well, even though we were heading to a supply. But I personally was really bullish on gold. Also on the 4 hour, we did have this demand right here that tapped already, but it had tapped again, so I was going off of that. Also being above the EMAs, I trusted it. And then on the daily we were on a kind of a red candle, which I do pay attention to the daily, but I don't go off the daily. If I see a good setup, I won't skip a trade if the daily doesn't align to what I like to see. But what I was paying attention was these wicks on the daily. They are rejecting off nicely off the 13 EMA, which made me confident in wanting to buy anyways. I didn't pay attention to the 1 minute today, but I think the 1 minute looked really good when I entered, because when I entered it was like around here, and I was looking at this little demand. It made another demand. It was making like small demands, so, but I wasn't paying attention to the 1 minute while I was in this trade. I honestly was only paying attention to the 5 minute chart as I was in this trade. So I made, on this trade I had made, I think it was, I made 69.68, which is good because on Monday it was a win and I had made 49.76 on that trade. So I am up $36.96 this week. I am not trading tomorrow since it's NFP Friday tomorrow, but I'm super proud of myself for ending the week in the green, and just trusting what I saw, trusting myself, risking what I was okay to risk, because I was so close to enter this trade, to enter two contracts on this trade, but I had seen that I was going to lose around $70 if I had lost this trade. And I thought about how I already lost $82 on Tuesday, and I'm not, and it's NFP week. Like if this was another week, if this was next week, I would have risked two contracts on this trade. But I was just playing it safe, and then I'm happy that I just lowered it to one contract. I was only supposed to make around $42 from a 1-to-1, but I held a little bit longer to that supply, like I said, so I can get out right there, since I only entered one contract. I feel like I said that so many times in this video already. But what else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. That was my trading day. I am 2-2 this week. Yeah, 2-2 this week since I took 2 trades Tuesday that were losses. And yeah, next week is a new week. I am so excited to see what next week brings me and us. So I am going to end this video now. Very short video, but I hope you guys made some money today. And if not, there's always another trading day around the corner, another winning trade around the corner. So yeah, don't get discouraged and keep going, because that's all we can do is just keep going. And I hope you guys have a beautiful and safe weekend. I know it's Thursday, but like I said, I'm not trading tomorrow, so I won't be recording myself or anything. But I will see you guys Monday next week. Take care, guys. Bye.